A round cake? Oh, please, we can do better than that. Cut out a shape, like so, and add a fondant hat. And maybe a few more final touches. Look, it's me, Mario! But we're not finished yet. Mario's ready to get his groove on. Look at all this candy. Wow, an ice bear. I wonder if he knows any polar bears. It's bath time. Add some tapioca pearls and a nice splash of milk. Now it's time for the rinse cycle. Ahem, it's tea time. Iced tea time. Chocolate. Whoa, you're breaking out. Oh, that gives me an idea. Fill a jelly candy with cream. And cover it up with fondant or marzipan. Now give your candy zit a good squeeze. You can use different colors for the fillings. And squeezing them sure is fun.
Wow!
But the real fun's in eating them. Oh, look, it's our friend, the candy unicorn. Fill him up with candy. He's part piñata. And press that tail when you want your candy back. Now let's try it out with chocolate. Looks like we're doing it fondue style. Oh, we've got chocolate-covered candies! You can practically taste the magic! Wow, look at all that cotton candy! Just add water and you win a prize. It's a micro cooler. Fill up the tank. Put it all together and pour yourself a drink.
Wow!
When it comes to this girl and lollipops, she likes to go big or go home. So let's melt up some caramel candies. And pour it up inside this mold. Quick, add a stick before it dries.
Wow!
You know, that flat side could come in handy. Remember, all the cool lollipops have wrappers. Next up, it's time to try some chewing foam. First, let's see how it tastes. Now let's get to chewing and blowing. Guess somebody burst their bubble. Oh, Freddy's seen better days. So has this waffle cone. Let's dip it in chocolate and put the cone back together. Now add some more chocolate. But what else can we add to it? Crumble up some cookies and give it a good roll. You know, with the right touches, it can be a witch's hat. Either way, what's a cone without ice cream? Wow, edible paper! And we've got edible ink, too! Well, what you waiting for? Let's get sketching. I wonder what she's drawing. Ooh, a burger! With all the toppings.
Wow!
On second thought, maybe we should call it a flatbread. Time for a little spring cleaning. Ah, our trusty spray bottle. Huh? What the? Oh, don't worry. I'm sure that's really gelatin or something. And that's just a weirdly shaped donut. Oh, I see. That's one way to hide your favorite snacks. Oh no! Your doll! Well, on the bright side, now she's just perfect for a princess cake. And for that special touch, add lots of chocolate and sprinkles. Let it pour. Wow, it's like confetti. Try it. Just eat around the torso. Well, someone's ready for their close-up. Sort of. I guess she can't get enough of that waxy flavor. But we've got something better for you. Melt some strawberry-flavored chocolates. Add to an empty tube. Here you go. Lipstick made just for you. Ooh, a lollipop! Oh no! I guess the 5-second rule is not applicable. Don't worry, here's a new friend that can help you. And you know he's cool. Just look at those sunglasses. He can handle a little supersizing. And he'll always give it back to you. Oh, please be mud. Please be mud. Oh no! She found our chocolate spread. You know, it doesn't need to be so messy. With a little work, it becomes its own dispenser. Just give it a little squeeze, and you won't get any on your hands. To be extra safe, let's go directly to the source. No, wait, don't eat those gummies just yet. They're perfect for our next craft. They shall fuse together and make a giant gummy bear. Oh, you got a little something. Maybe we should wait for her to finish. Maybe this toilet paper holder will help. Secure it on nice and tight. And it's the next best thing to a mouth bib. Gesundheit. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Oh no! Your candy! Taffy's supposed to stretch. In fact, let's have some fun with it. Let's roll up a few different flavors. Oh, we're making it into sushi. Top it off with rice and a nice chunk of salmon. Slice it up. Serve with soy sauce and wasabi. No, just kidding. It's 100% candy. Don't forget something to wash it down with. Now, where are our manners? Wow, that's a lot of dough. Are you trying to make yourself a twin? How about we dip it in the deep fryer? And add some frosting. It's a puppy! And you always said you wanted a dog. And how about a little rabbit on the side? Looks like we're making sandwiches. Which means it's time for some special sauce. Sure, ketchup and mustard are great, but we're talking rainbow sauce. And Mom's got a few tricks up her sleeve too. Like making dinosaur-shaped sandwiches. Hey, nuggets aren't the only thing that can be dino-shaped. See, I told you there's a time and place for ketchup. The T-Rex would be proud. They're smaller dinos too. Marshmallow cream is so fun! And wait till you taste it. How about we keep some in a disc? And add a design on top, like a paw print. Add powdered sugar, because powdered sugar. It may have hardened, but it's nice and squishy. But like I said, the real fun's in eating it. Who's ready to get their picture taken? But you know, this photo's not for posting. Let's just say someone needs help drawing hearts. Don't forget to stay inside the lines. And sprinkles. Can't forget sprinkles. Now it's the perfect cupcake topper. And I'd like to say our little model has earned a treat or two. Or 8. Want a bite? Okay, you can let go. We lose more good spoons this way. At least she's not bending them with her mind. Again. And we've got the perfect solution for next time. Potato spoons! The deliciousness of potatoes, but in spoon form. Still, we need to fry them up to be nice and strong. Besides, potatoes and frying just go together. Now let's try it out. Good thing she eats plain ketchup. Candy's dandy, but it's also what we call a sometimes food.
Yuck.
Which is why you should keep backups in your secret stash. Like these marshmallows. How about we help them go undercover? Now it just looks like a fluffy white bunny. And how about some camouflage while we're at it? Just add 1 candy bar and turn up the heat. Wow, would you look at that? See? Crisp bread can be yummy too. Well, with the right ingredients. What pretty flowers. They could use a good trim. Great idea. Now there's no pesky thorns. And you don't need a special reason to get roses. In fact, you can always make your own. Just keep adding meat slices on top of a cup. Keep going until you've covered the whole rim. We can't forget the stem or leaves either. Turn it over, and it's a lovely rose. Oh, looking good. Let's make a whole bouquet. Here, why don't you give them to Mom? She loves it, and they go great with provolone. Okay, now do the heart shape. Nailed it! Open up, here comes the choo-choo. Don't let go! Oh, you had one job. Food-tacular stuff. Catch you next time.